Wait, you've been cooking wrong all this time. These genius Amazon kitchen gadgets will seriously change the way you cook forever. From time-saving food prep tools to smart cleaning gadgets and space-saving organizers, these 30 viral Amazon kitchen gadgets are absolute game changers. If you love easy cooking and smart kitchen upgrades, hit that like button and let's dive in. Meet the gadget that turns peeling apples from a chore into pure satisfaction. This apple peeler and core slices, peels, and cores your apple in one smooth twist. Just clamp it, turn the handle, and boom, perfectly peeled spirals in seconds. No mess, no effort, no wasting fruit. Whether you're prepping apple pies, healthy snacks, or lunchbox treats, this tool saves time and energy like magic. And trust me, you'll never peel by hand again. Say goodbye to messy cereal boxes and stale breakfast bites. These smart cereal storage pouches keep your flakes fresh, crunchy, and perfectly sealed. No more soggy mornings or bulky cartons taking up shelf space. With an easy pour spout and airtight ziplock, they're designed for clean, quick servings every day. It's time to upgrade your pantry and level up your breakfast routine. Tired of digging through cabinets just to find one tiny spice jar? Meet the Lazy Susan Organizer, your new kitchen lifesaver. With a smooth 360 degrees spin, everything stays visible, accessible, and clutter-free. From sauces and spices to jars and snacks, this rotating tray keeps it all organized in seconds. One spin, and your kitchen suddenly feels smarter. Greasy kitchen walls, sticky stove surfaces, not anymore. This self-adhesive, heat-resistant aluminum foil is your kitchen's armor against oil splashes, stains, and heat damage. Just peel, stick, and protect. It's waterproof, wipe clean, and keeps your kitchen looking brand new with zero effort. Say goodbye to scrubbing, and hello to sparkling clean cooking spaces. Turn your kitchen countertop into a chef-style spice station. This sleek spice rack keeps your favorite seasonings neatly displayed and always within reach. No more digging through cabinets, just grab, sprinkle, and cook. Stylish, space-saving, and super organized, it gives your kitchen instant upgrade vibes. Spices organized equals cooking unlocked. Ever wished your sink could stay cleaner without effort? Meet the triangle corner sink strainer with hanging mesh bags. Just clip it in the corner, and boom, no more clogging, soggy peels, or floating food scraps. Everything collects neatly in the disposable mesh. Simple idea, shockingly useful. Your sink will thank you. Breakfast just got a stylish upgrade. This rotating cereal dispenser turns your countertop into a mini breakfast bar. Simply twist, pour, and enjoy fresh, perfectly portioned cereal every time. No messy bags or crushed flakes. The airtight design keeps everything crisp and clean, while the 360 degrees rotation makes grabbing your favorite cereal super easy. Modern kitchen goals? Achieved. Running out of kitchen space? This under-shelf storage basket instantly creates extra room without tools, drilling, or effort. Just slide it under any shelf and boom. Extra storage for snacks, foil rolls, plates, tea bags, anything. Minimal setup, maximum space. It's the easiest upgrade your kitchen shelves will ever get. Healthy cooking just got way easier. This stainless steel foldable steamer basket opens up like a flower, letting you steam veggies, dumplings, eggs, anything, in minutes. It keeps nutrients locked in and folds flat when you're done, saving cabinet space. Simple, healthy, and brilliantly practical. Steam smarter, eat better. Meet your new shortcut to kitchen prep. This portable mini chopper dices onions, garlic, veggies, and herbs in seconds. Just press, chop, done. No bulky machines, no tears, no mess. Perfect for quick meals, travel, or tiny kitchens. Small size, big chopping power. Clogged drains ruining your dishwashing routine? Not anymore. This kitchen sink strainer catches every food scrap, from noodles to veggie peels, while letting water flow smoothly. No more fishing out gunk or calling plumbers. Just lift, dump, rinse, and you're done. A tiny tool that keeps your sink clean, and your day stress-free. Here's a little gadget that instantly makes your kitchen feel premium. The elegant oil dispenser bottle, designed for clean, controlled pouring. It helps you drizzle just the right amount every time. No greasy bottles, no spills, no waste. Whether you're tossing a salad, sautéing veggies, or plating pasta, this sleek bottle adds precision and style to your cooking routine. A touch of luxury in every drop. Breakfast goals unlocked. This non-stick egg maker pan gives you perfectly shaped eggs every single time. No sticking, no breaking, no mess. From fluffy omelets to protein bites, it cooks fast and looks cute doing it. Say hello to effortless, Instagram-worthy breakfast. Running out of cabinet space? This under-cabinet cup holder instantly creates room where you never knew you had it. Just mount it under any shelf and hang your mugs neatly. No stacking, no clutter, no risk of chips or cracks. It keeps your cups organized, accessible, and saves precious shelf space. Small gadget, big storage win. Say goodbye to messy sponges and slippery soap bars around your sink. This over-faucet kitchen caddy organizer keeps everything you need, sponges, scrubbers, dish soap, clean, dry, and perfectly organized. The raised design lets water drain fast so nothing gets soggy or smelly. Neat, hygienic, and surprisingly stylish, your sink area just leveled up. Dishes piling up? This soap dispensing palm brush turns scrubbing into a one-tap cleaning hack. Just press to release soap and glide. Grease melts, stains vanish, and your hands stay clean and dry. Compact, powerful, and super satisfying to use. It makes everyday dishwashing faster, easier, and honestly, kinda fun. Small brush, big cleaning power. Every great meal starts with a little mess, but not on your clothes. This kitchen apron keeps you splatter-proof and stylish at the same time. With adjustable straps, roomy front pockets, and durable fabric, it's designed for cooking, baking, grilling, meal prep, everything. Soft, comfy, and built for real kitchens, because every home chef deserves to feel like a pro. Smoothies anywhere, yes please. This portable blender blends fruits, shakes, juices, and even ice, anytime, anywhere. Just charge, fill, and blend in seconds. Perfect for gyms, road trips, office days, or healthy mornings at home. Fresh drinks on demand, without bulky machines or messy cleanup. Healthy living just got way more convenient. Meet the ultimate kitchen space saver, the rotating vegetable storage trolley. With multiple ventilated tiers and a smooth 360-degree spin, it keeps onions, potatoes, fruits, and snacks neatly organized and always within reach. No cluttered shelves, no messy baskets, just clean, breathable storage that looks amazing in your kitchen. Functional, stylish, and oh so satisfying to use. Smart storage, sorted. Say goodbye to messy knife hacks. This tiny strawberry huller pops out the stem in one smooth click. No waste, no mush, just perfectly clean berries ready to snack, decorate, or dip in chocolate. Small tool, huge berry satisfaction. Ever feel like your kitchen counter turns into a messy water park after dishwashing? Say hello to this sleek and smart dish drying rack. Designed to maximize space, it neatly organizes plates, bowls, cups, cutlery, even chopping boards. Plus, its drip tray system keeps your countertop dry and spotless. With a sturdy, rust-free build, it's made to last and keep your kitchen looking clean, classy, and hotel-style organized every single day. Meet the little powerhouse your kitchen has been waiting for. This multi-purpose grinder makes grinding spices, coffee beans, nuts, herbs, and even small dry snacks effortless. With sharp stainless steel blades and a high-speed motor, it delivers ultra-fine and consistent results in seconds. Compact, easy to clean, and super convenient. Perfect for everyday cooking and flavor lovers who crave fresh, aromatic blends at home. Your secret to tastier meals starts here. Say goodbye to slow chopping and uneven cuts. This all-in-one Mandoline slicer turns your everyday prep into chef-level magic. With precision blades for slicing, julienning, grating, and dicing, it transforms veggies and fruits in seconds. The adjustable thickness lets you go paper thin or chunky. Your kitchen, your rules. Plus, the built-in safety guard and anti-slip base keep your fingers safe and your counter mess-free. Healthy salads, perfect fries, fancy garnishes. Now cutting is fun, fast, and totally satisfying. Let's be honest, chopping veggies can be boring, tiring, and messy. But this 4-in-1 handheld electric vegetable chopper turns prep time into pure efficiency mode. With one button, this mini power tool chops, grinds, minces, and even helps you scrape ingredients directly into your bowl. Perfect for onions, garlic, chilies, ginger, nuts. Basically, everything that slows you down. It's compact, cordless, and USB rechargeable, so you can use it anywhere. No more tears, no more sore hands. Just fast, fresh, perfectly chopped ingredients every single time. Craving juicy dumplings but hate the folding struggle? This bun dumpling maker mold is your shortcut to perfect pleats every single time. Just fill, press, and boom, pro-level dumplings in seconds. Ideal for momos, buns, wontons, and more. Zero skill needed, only delicious results. Struggling with tight jar lids? This manual adjustable jar opener is a total kitchen savior. Just clamp, twist, and open jars instantly. No effort, no slip. Perfect for seniors, kids, or anyone who hates stubborn lids. Food getting stale too fast? Say hello to this portable mini vacuum sealer. Compact, wireless, and super powerful. It seals snacks, veggies, meats, anything in seconds. Lock in freshness, save space, and stop wasting food. Perfect for meal prep and travel too. Want to cook faster without breaking a sweat? This electric food processor is your new kitchen sidekick. From chopping onions to kneading dough and making creamy pastes, it handles everything in seconds. Powerful motor, multiple blades, and effortless operation. Turn everyday cooking into pure convenience and save tons of time. Tiny kitchen, no worries. This retractable bowl rack just changed the game. Expand it when you're washing dishes. Collapse it when you're done. Holds bowls, plates, veggies. Everything dries neatly without eating counter space. Smart, flexible, and perfect for compact kitchens. This is what space-saving genius looks like. Time to upgrade your kitchen from cluttered to classy. This wall-mounted spice rack with built-in oil and vinegar dispensers brings restaurant-style organization right into your home. Neatly store all your spices, keep your oils within arm's reach, and free up precious counter space. The sleek, space-saving design ensures everything looks clean, elegant, and easy to grab while cooking. Say goodbye to messy shelves and hello to a smarter, aesthetic kitchen setup. Cleaning the toughest kitchen messes just got easier. This nylon bristle brush features strong, flexible bristles that scrub away grease, stains, and food residue without scratching your surfaces. Perfect for pots, pans, bottles, tiles, and even delicate cookware. Comfortable grip, long-lasting bristles, and effortless cleaning. Your kitchen will stay spotless with half the effort. Get ready to fall in love with washing dishes. Seriously, this Waterfall kitchen sink brings luxury and smart functionality together. With a smooth waterfall-style water flow, built-in accessories like cutting boards and strainers, and a wide cleaning surface, meal prep and cleanup become effortless. No splashes, no mess. Just a sleek, modern sink that turns your countertop into a full-on workstation. Upgrade your kitchen vibe instantly. Ending this video with a tiny gadget that makes a big difference in the kitchen. These silicone heat-resistant pinch mitts and potholders are your ultimate hand savers. Whether you're grabbing hot pans, handling baking trays, or lifting steaming pots. These mitts give you a secure, non-slip grip every time. Flexible, lightweight, and super heat-proof, they protect your fingers without the bulk of traditional gloves. A small tool, but a total kitchen hero. And that wraps up today's amazing kitchen gadget list. If you found something useful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite item, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart gadget finds every week. All product links are in the description, so go ahead and grab your favorite gadgets before they sell out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.